Hey glammies, welcome back to my channel Go Glam in Style, and it's me Swati. Guys, so in my today's video I'm gonna tell you how to do a perfect contouring for your face, and also how to apply a perfect blush so that you can get this pinky look like me. Yes. So here I'm using this Miss Gold 3D contouring, which is having actually two blush and one face powder, and then the last one is contouring. And here I am using this generic brush which I have got it from Amazon, जिसका लिंक मैं आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी. यू कैन परचेज. एंड यस गाइस, दिस अगेन आई हैव गॉट इट फ्रॉम वन अगेन इंस्टा स्टोर, जो कि अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं एंड अमेजिंग डील एंड रेट्स. यस गाइस, तो आई एम requesting you to please go and check their products. Okay, so now I'm going to start my contouring. आप जैसे कि देख सकते हैं मैंने अपने फेस का बाकी मेकअप ऑलरेडी करके रखा हुआ है. So I am only left with the contouring. So guys, we just have to take a small product, a little amount of product, and then just dab it, and then guys, as you can see, my face is so big, so I cannot live without contouring. I have to do this. And little bit on my nose, because my nose is so big. Okay, so this much only I have to use, and then rest I'm just going to blend again this with brush. Just blending it with my brush. And then my last part, that is blush. Okay, so I'm taking some blush with the same brush. And now I'm going to apply some highlighter with the same brush. So yes guys, this is my final look. You can see my cheeks are so pinky, and my top is also very pinky. You can see this. ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ गिव अ बिग thumbs up to my video, and also don't forget to subscribe that red button and also that notification button, so that whenever I'm gonna miss you again, you'll get notified. So till my next video,